Hello, I'm Kyle Jorgensen with JMT. This is a JM-R press brake. It's a 3 meter long by 135 metric ton. This machine has got some new features incorporated. We've got a adjustable arm. A Dell MD56. Got a movable foot pedal. Ram up, ram down. Control buttons, safeties. We've got dual sliding front arms. Now these front arms are height adjustable. If I need to get them out of the way or I change my bottom tooling height, I'll be able to adjust them quickly and easily. Also, I can lock them into position. I've got side squaring. If I flip these little stops up, I'll be able to side gauge with them. Also, I've got a T-slot here that I'm able to adjust and move my front stop, front gauging. All of our JM-R brakes come standard with an interchangeable universal ram nose. Now this particular machine, from basically right here to here, we can adapt or add any system a customer would need. From Willow New Standard, American, European, any custom system basically the customer has. And in this sense, if a customer, you've got a bunch of tooling, you want to keep using, we can basically build a machine that'll work for you. Section clamps here. They're standard on these machines, the height of them. Basically, this allows us, for box work, extends the height of our tooling. And this particular machine's got European American clamps on it. This is a Y1, Y2 machine with the CNC X-axis back gauge, also CNC R-axis back gauge standard. It's a double rail back gauge. Double rail, I mean the rigidity and the precision of this machine. 2 precision fingers, standard on the machine. Quick access side door. I've got this particular machine's got an ACUS laser on it, safety laser which monitors the punch tip for safety. Also, manual crowning is standard on this machine. Bend angle down the length of the machine. I've got a scale here by reference position. The operator, over time, really knows which position to put this depending on what he's bending or tooling wear, let's say over time. Also, this machine, all of our machines actually, have an independent C-frame. This C-frame right here is independent from the main frame. In that sense, if this C-frame on the inside, we get any kind of yaw, this frame here will compensate for ram travel. So it's just a really simple, really effective system to adjust for any kind of yaw of the machine frame. Accuracy really makes a big difference on accuracy. And we've got 2. Tucked up in here is a really precision linear scale, closed loop system that gives feedback both sides of the machine. So the controller knows position. You can see the scales tucked away, protected. A replaceable ram nose. On the back side here we've got drilled and adjusted system to adjust the parallelism or alignment of this. Now if somebody makes a mistake and puts 135 tons over an inch or something and damages this, we can replace sections of it instead of replacing the whole ram. It's hardened ground system. Yep. World standard electrical components. We got Schneider, Siemens, GE. Currently, this machine's got Mitsubishi drives. well thought out electrical cabinet.